Alright, so last time nanood tayo ng Gento Thailand version at today, by request of Master Yakun, no? Kasi papadala niya daw ako ng Dunkin McDo. By request, no? At kung may request kayo na gusto niyo gawan ko na reaction video, mag-ano lang kayo ng mga super chat o kahit ano, any amount, okay yan. Gagawa natin yan. Basta trip na trip nyo talaga. Kung gusto nyo talaga, ano. So, request ni Master Yakun tong Gento Chinese version cover. So, nung last Thailand, ngayon naman Chinese. China, no? Cover ng Gento. So, wala na madami sabihin. It's very self-explanatory. I'm just wondering kung paano nila titirahin to. Yun yung ano sa akin, yung curiosity na build kung paano nila bibirahin ang Gento ng SB19, no? Cover nila to, no? Let's go. Okay, napaka-pogi na naman. Then, okay, may intro, may pagpapakilala. Yung pangalan nila 6-in-1. 6-in-1. Huh? Pogi lahat, boy. Wala na. Oh! Wait! Boom! Punyeta ka. SB19, no? SB19, Rad Kids, John Paulo and Joshua Daniel Nase. Ganyan magbigay ng credit sa gumawa. Boy! Ha? John Paulo and whole name! God damn! Okay, the credits is crediting. Okay, tuloy natin. Dumaan yung spaceship po yan, no? Don't mind that shit. Tuloy. Chinese. Okay, very cute yung datingan nila dito. Ito ang ulo ko. Damn, okay, may production. Sa forma. I want some, no get some, no later. I woke up to bed that potato. Got craft to see me for major, but I still me now make the okay. Come and tell me what you see, or good tea. Whoa! Wait! Yeah, alright bro, what the F? Okay, the voice is good. Okay, napaka-angas, napaka-pogi. Gusto ko yung forma, men. Napakagaling. Nakita mo ba yung foot na doon? Yung paa nila, yung steps. Ganda ng steps. Ito yung paa nila dito. Yo, cat! We did it! They are singing our song, huh? The Chinese people are singing our song. The Thailand people are singing our song, man. We made it, bruh. Worldwide. Man, I'm just so proud, man. Amazing, amazing. Patas lang naman yun. Oh, it's okay to say that. Because we, Filipinos, are also singing Chinese songs, huh? Diba? May ganun silang kanta. Maraming Pinoy na kumakanta nun eh. Magandang kanta din nila. So it's really nice and I'm so happy to hear Chinese people, Thai people, okay ba sabihin yun? Or Chinese, parang kulang pag Chinese lang, ano? Chinese, the Chinese people, or the Thai dudes, singing Gento. And literally singing Filipino lyrics, di ba? Tapos kini-question nyo kami dati kung
kung P-pop ba ang SB19, kung ano ba yung P-pop, kung hindi ba P-pop, gaya-gaya sa K-pop. Ito na yung kinakanta na ng ibang bansa. Bampasin kita eh. Kinakanta ng ibang bansa yung Tagalog na words. Ha? Yun yung P-pop. Kaya nga P-pop Kings eh. Naalala ko talaga yung time na interview na ano ba P-pop? Ano ba yun? Hindi naman P-pop. Kinakanta na oh. Eto na yung bunga nun. Ha? Hindi niya alam. Okay, ito lang yung dude.
But the real question is who rated me? A movie definitely not my reality. Cause you see
live! Damn, live! Ganda ng boses nila, live pala yun. Narinig ko huminga eh. Gumalan siya eh. Damn.
But the real question is who rated me? A movie definitely not my reality. Cause you see me, got did it. Yeah, gonna see you later. 就要对着高帽笑我。全能证据出我 power。准备出发奋起黑的 I can see ya。那黑夜里的风雨。
I like it, I like it. I like it that they put a twist on this. Gusto ko yung ganon kasi yung art kasi talaga dapat you put something to it, di ba? Hindi lang basta kasi totoo naman. Okay naman cover, yeah, pero if you did something dun sa bagay na yon, mas higit pa yon sa original na ginaya mo eh. Parang sinasabi mong it's good enough for you to play with it. Alam mo yon. So para sa akin compliment yun, napakagaling. Na nag-effort pa talaga silang to make their own version. Hindi lang to cover, this is a version, no? Kasi yung cover kasi kinover mo lang, pero yung version may pinalit ka, which is nice, no? Lalong-lalo na ibang bansa sila, ibang language, no? So it personalizes the song of another person, artist, or country, and it makes it even better kasi malalasap mo na ng mga kagaya nila yon or kalingwahin nila. Then they're gonna search for the original stuff. And it's good for SB19, man, because, man, this is a really amazing song. Hanggang ngayon, Gento, ano pa rin sa ibang bansa.
Yeah, gonna see you later. 就要对着高帽笑我。全能证据出我 power。准备出发奋起黑的 I can see ya。那黑夜里的风雨传来，就看见生命痛的未来。笑的把手变化莫测，有时间是会找到真正自我。Gendo，都来看我大展身手，别走，小心身后计谋。Gendo，被圣人的我，熬的生死攻破特洛伊的城门，获得胜利。Gendo。
Napakalinis ng boses nila sa mic, no? Pa-recorded din talaga eh. Tapos in-adjust niya pa yung mic niya. So baka live na lang. Hindi ko alam, di ko makuha kung wala akong marinig na parang. Kaya kailangan na ngayon na-realize ko na kung bakit yung SB19 humihinto sila madalas para marinig yung backing vocals at mas marinig yung boses nila. Kasi hindi mo talaga ma-distinguish yung talagang magaling eh. Hindi ko alam kung recorded ba to o live. It's really good, man. Second verse. Okay, backup dancers nila yan. Okay, let me just say this for just for emphasis, no. Many people are saying na Filipinos compete internationally abroad sa ganitong stuff, sa ganitong bagay way before SB19. May maiisip ka bang kayang pumantay kahit dito lang, no? Kahit sa kanila lang. Di ko nila lang sila na di magaling ha. They're really good. Pero may maiisip ka ba before SB19? Before SB19, kung sino yung kayang pumantay dito? Kahit sa boses sa movement. Wala, di ba? Because SB19 and the first and the most amazing group, nagulat ka na lang. They're the most talented. The songs are good. The performances are good. Everything is good. Tingnan mo sa panahon ngayon, masasabi na natin na pwede natin sila. Kasi ngayong atin, confident tayo na SB19 is really, really good. Is the best for me, man. Personally, they're the best. Kaya pag tinignan mo yung performances, makita mo to, masasabi mong, okay, magaling din gagi. Pero sa isip mo, alam mong, magaling din sila. Pero yung akin, yung SB19, man, sobrang galing nito. Alam pa natin na sila yung original ng Gento, diba? Kaya nga, they made a cover. Pero before SB19, may isip ka bang ganon na, ito magaling din yung Pinas na ganito? Wala, no? Gulat ka? Wala, diba? Ganon, man. Kaya tandaan nyo, SB19 paved this shit. Don't discredit SB19. If you love SB19 and you love this content, subscribe, master. Maraming salamat po. Pagtatanggol natin yan, man. Let's go. Ito yung dance break nila. Break dance. Gago lang. Oh! Okay.
这是冒险的经历，中途将其话术抛投在路中，放空的我和我的团队争过，幻想过，历经时光钻得过。很多人说我平庸，不走冲动，我只能沉默。
Okay, I thought may kakantahin silang Tagalog, so parang tinranslate na talaga nila lahat. Excited pa naman ako. Ano ba yun? Money ko, ay ako, wala na money ko. Gusto ko pa sana marinig yun, so tinranslate nila, okay.
我这辈子我压着8个半小的坡，我跟随风抓着你，迷宫里找不到真的你，我应该哪里去？一生充满好奇。
Yeah, I'm hearing airy noise, which usually Maya Gento. Dadaan sa Cebu Pacific, napaka-chaotic talaga. I mean, I can hear air through his mouth and through his lapel, so definitely this is live. Magagaling din talaga silang vocalists and dancers. Magagaling din talaga sila performance din.
No rush, I can do it all day, no 24 mentality like Kobe, no The harder I work, harder I play 无论 home car, 客场是
I think sa part ni Ken at Stel, dun sila mas na-challenge dun sila mas na-challenge sa part ni Stel siya ni Ken. So hard, man. Ano gagawin mo? It's almost it's almost humanly impossible to replicate those voices. So that's understandable. Pero okay pa rin naman. Pero as is, yung gagayahin nila mahirap talaga. So yun yung wala masyado akong narinig sa mga napanood kung nag-replicate, nag-cover ng Gento. Hindi nila talaga nakukuha yung perfect. But it's still good, okay. Di lang talaga nagagaya. Well, they don't have to copy it. Version naman yan eh.
The harder I work, harder I play 无论 home car, 客场是我唯美冠军快来用了 A 的戏法我大瞬间把你们全都快点认输啦啦啦啦看清楚虚假我看走过的每步都付出了不回头的代价 Yeah, no this isn't over 全力拯救场 disaster 比你悬崖没 danger Ready you soon I'll be better 那黑夜里的风又传来谁开启生命通道
I don't know, may kung live to hindi. Man, you tell me. You tell me kasi hindi ko na alam. Parang hindi, parang masyadong malinis. Or meron bang live na meron bang backing track, kung may backing vocals man to. Sobrang lakas ng backing vocals kung meron man. Eh sobrang ganda eh, ha? Okay.
归来是找到宝藏，别或莫测，用心情触碰找到真的自我。Gento，都来看我大展身手，别走，小心身后寂寞。Gento，别强难倒我。熬的是攻破特洛伊的城门，我的实力。Gento，打碎一切我们接受，战斗，海上复仇绝不失手。怒吼，胜利属于我，王冠全场黄金马车，多到战斗变斗。
Damn. Oh! What the F? Ganda nun ah. Mahilig sila sa ganito, no? Yung parang magsa-stop, sasayaw. Damn. That's a nice cover, man. That's a nice cover, bro. Damn. Now, uy, humihinga sila. Live. Mukhang live. Narinig ko yung mic eh. Live ata talaga yun, man. Bahala na kayo dyan. Basta narinig ko yung mic na ang lalim ng hinga ni pare. Well, nevertheless, it was an awesome performance. Napakagaling. Any performance na cover, kapag binigyan talaga ng effort, the stage is amazing. Yung execution malupit, yung sayaw, yung pagkanta. Every time I see this kind of stuff, man, I don't really like to dig about the technicalities, the diction and shit. Putang ina, ibang lingwahe nga yan. Okay? Malupit na yun, man. Kasi nga, tingnan mo, nag-e-effort talaga silang putang lupit ng stage, ang sayaw, ang kanta. Man, you have to give the props, man. Napakagaling din talaga yung boses, malupit. That's that, bro. That's a good performance. So that was 6-1. Okay, napakapopogi. So thank you, Master Yakon, for this wonderful request. Kung may mga request pa kayo, just ano nyo nang mag-comment kayo, mag-send kayo ng kahit magkano ano man yan sa super chat, super ano bang mga tawag dyan, sticker. Tapos i-comment nyo yung request nyo along with that ano, para makulay, makita ko agad. Diskarte mo. Thank you so much. That definitely helps the channel po. Maraming salamat. And I'm gonna prioritize that shit, man. Salamat po sa Curbs PH. Thank you, Shishi. Shishi ba pag Chinese? Ano ba? Shishi. Thank you.